In this short video, I will show you how to refine your search results to only display the full text options. To begin, let's start here at the SJSU homepage. We can search up information seeking for gamers. You'll notice that 8,319 results were generated. Let's lower this amount by a little bit. So in order to refine your searches to only display full text online, you'd want to go over here to availability under full text online from SJSU and checkmarks, click the checkbox to the left. Select Apply Filters. And voila! Now all of your results are only showing the full text online from SJSU. To undo this feature, click the X.